Welcome to COCO English Studio.
Hello, and welcome back to COCO English Studio. I am Coco, your English companion, and I am so happy you are here with me today. If you want to speak English naturally and confidently, you are in the perfect place. Today, we are not going to study boring grammar rules. We are going to practice speaking, real speaking. Take a deep breath with me. In and out. Relax your shoulders. In this episode, we will learn how to greet people and how to introduce yourself. I will speak slowly and clearly. After I say a sentence, I will pause. I will give you 4 or 5 seconds of silence. During that time, I want you to shadow my voice. Shadowing means you listen and then you repeat exactly what I said out loud. You can practice in your room, in your car, or while walking. Are you ready? Let's begin our lesson with the most important part of any conversation, the greetings. We all know the word hello. It is simple and classic. Let's practice a full sentence with it. Listen and repeat after me. Hello. How are you today? Very good. A shorter, more friendly version is hi. Listen and repeat. Hi, it's nice to meet you. Now, native speakers often use the time of the day to greet each other. It is polite and very common in both business and daily life. In the morning, before 12 p.m., we say, "Good morning." Repeat this sentence. Good morning, I'm here for the meeting. In the middle of the day, we use good afternoon. Listen and repeat. Good afternoon. How can I help you? When the sun goes down and it is dark outside, we say, good evening. Let's practice. Good evening. Welcome to the event. Did you hear that word? Welcome. We use this word to make people feel happy and comfortable when they arrive at a new place. Listen and repeat. Welcome to our company. Great job! Now, let's look at some informal greetings. These are for your friends or people you know very well. Instead of hello, you can just say, hey. Listen to the emotion in my voice. Hey, long time no see. In some places, people use a very fun and friendly word, howdy. Let's try it together. Howdy, good to see you. Now, let's look at 2 formal words that you might see in writing or official emails. The first word is greetings. Repeat after me. Greetings from my hometown. The next word is salutation. This is a very formal word for a greeting. Listen carefully and repeat. The letter began with a polite salutation. Excellent! You just learned so many different ways to say hello. Take a sip of water. You are doing great. Okay, you said hello. Now you need to ask how the person is doing. This shows that you care about them. The most common question is, how are you? Let's practice a full sentence. How are you? I hope you're well. But with friends, we want to be more relaxed. We can ask, what's up? Repeat after me. What's up? Haven't seen you in a while. Another very natural question is, how's it going? Listen to the rhythm of my voice. How's it going? Now you repeat. How's it going? Everything okay? When you meet someone for the very first time, it is important to be polite. You can say, "Nice to meet you. I'm John." If it is a formal business event, you can use a professional phrase. "Pleased to meet you at this event." Now imagine you see an old friend. You have not seen them for a year. You are so surprised and happy. You can say, "Good to see you after so long." You can also use this famous phrase, listen and repeat. "Long time no see. How are you?" When you meet an old friend, you want to sit down and talk about life. You want to share stories. In English, we call this to catch up. Listen and repeat. Let's catch up over coffee. Finally, when the coffee is finished and you have to go home, how do you say goodbye? You can say, "See you later at the meeting." Or you can tell them to be safe. "Take care. See you soon." Wow, your pronunciation is getting so much better. Keep shadowing my voice. Don't be shy. Now, let's move to a very important topic, introducing yourself. Imagine you are standing in front of a new group of people. You need to talk about who you are. The action itself is to introduce. Repeat after me. Let me introduce myself to the team. To introduce yourself, you need to share your identity. Identity means exactly who you are. Listen. Please confirm your identity. Let's start with your name. My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Maybe you have a special short name that your friends and family call you. That is your nickname. Repeat after me. My nickname is Sunny because I'm cheerful. Next, where are you from? You can talk about your hometown, the place where you grew up. My hometown is a small village. You can also talk about your origin. Origin means where your family originally comes from. Listen and repeat. My family is of Canadian origin. What about your job? The formal word for your job or profession is your occupation. Let's practice. My occupation is a software engineer. Sometimes people ask about your background. This means your past experience, your history, or your education. Listen. I have a background in marketing. Finally, what do you do for fun? We call this a hobby or an interest. Repeat after me. My hobby is reading books. I have an interest in photography. Perfect. You now have a rich, strong vocabulary to talk about yourself. You are not using just simple words anymore. You are using advanced, natural English words. Now, let's put all these beautiful words into a real story. I will read a short story about meeting a new group of colleagues at work. I will read one sentence, then I will pause for 5 seconds. I want you to repeat the sentence exactly how I say it. Try to copy my emotion, copy my speed. Speak clearly and loudly. Are you ready? Let's shadow the story together. Good morning. Let me introduce myself to the team. My name is Coco. And my nickname is Co. I have a background in marketing and education. My current occupation is an English coach. My hometown is a very small, quiet village. In my free time, my hobby is reading books. I also have a deep interest in photography. It is very nice to meet you all. Hey, long time no see. What's up? How's it going? Good to see you after so long. Let's catch up over coffee this afternoon. All right, I have to go back to work now. Take care. See you later. Amazing! Do you feel that? You just spoke a whole paragraph in English. You used great words like background, occupation, origin, and interest. You did it naturally. I am so proud of your effort today. We have reached the end of today's session at COCO English Studio. Today, you practiced so many useful things. You learned formal and informal greetings. You learned how to ask about someone's life. And you learned how to introduce your identity, your hometown, and your hobbies. Remember, speaking English is like building a muscle. You need to exercise it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to open your mouth and try. Save this video. Listen to it again tomorrow morning. Shadow my voice again. The more you do it, the more confident you will become. Now I have a small homework assignment for you. Go to the comments section below. I want you to introduce yourself. Tell me your name, your hometown, your occupation, and your hobby. Use the new vocabulary words we learned today. I promise I will read your comments. If this video helped you, please click the like button and subscribe to COCO English Studio. It helps our community grow, and it helps me create more free lessons for you. Thank you for your time. Keep practicing, stay positive, and never give up. Take care and see you later.